Have you ever felt that you are gradually lost in the expectations of others and the struggle of yourself? The pressure of life and the expectations of the outside world gradually make us forget our true selves. As we struggle to cater to the outside world, our hearts gradually become tired and confused. However, relief and strength are not in the outside world, but in the true self in the heart. When you stop escaping and begin to embrace your true self, love and strength will emerge like water. There is no need to rely on external recognition and support, because all the necessary strength has been hidden deep in the heart. The root of pain comes from the wrong understanding and persistence of oneself. When you begin to accept yourself and no longer try to escape from the truth in your heart, this persistence will gradually dissipate, replaced by the emergence of love and strength. To embrace your true self, you don't have to rely on external standards to measure your own value, but to seek peace and satisfaction from the heart. This inner peace is the key to reliving pain. Many people pursue external success and recognition all their lives, but often ignore internal needs and desires. Real power comes from accepting oneself, not trying to meet external standards. When you are no longer in opposition to your own truth, your inner peace will begin to appear. This kind of power is not obtained from the outside world, but from the love and peace that springs from the depths of the heart. Embrace everything about yourself, whether it is a disadvantage or an advantage, so that you can truly move towards the freedom of the soul. Embrace your true self and learn to reconcile with yourself. We often criticize ourselves too much and even put unnecessary pressure on our hearts, which will keep us away from peace of mind. No matter what happened in the past, no matter how uneasy you are, you can choose to accept and embrace all this in the present. Inner peace comes from understanding and tolerance. When you can completely embrace yourself, the power of the soul will expand infinitely. When we learn to love ourselves, we are no longer bound by past failures or fears of the future. Loving yourself is a kind of power of relief, which can help us release the pain of the past and embrace the peace of the present. This kind of love is unconditional, and there is no need to rely on external standards to judge oneself. There is no need to seek comfort in the outside world, because inner love is enough to nourish us to freedom. When you begin to love yourself unconditionally, your heart will be released, and true strength and freedom will follow. Self-love is a kind of wisdom to understand and tolerate oneself and accept every part of oneself. Find self-love from the heart, and you can maintain stability in difficult times. When we face the challenges of life and can face ourselves with a loving and tolerant mentality, this will become the greatest source of strength. This kind of power does not come from the recognition of the outside world, but from the deep love and confidence in the heart. Embrace your true self and keep growing and becoming strong.